Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create menu tabs with drop-down pages in Wix. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to organize your Wix website navigation by creating menu tabs and adding drop-down pages. This is a useful feature when you have multiple pages on your website and want to make it easier for visitors to find the information they need. To get started, open your Wix website and go into the Edit Site area so you can make changes to your page layout and navigation. The navigation menu is one of the most important parts of your website because it helps visitors move between different sections quickly. A clear menu structure can also improve the overall user experience. This is where you'll be able to add and organize the menu that visitors will use to move around your site. If you're building a clean, professional website, drop-down menus are a great way to keep everything organized without overcrowding the header. For example, if you have a business website with multiple services, you can create a main menu tab called Services and place individual service pages underneath it as drop-down options. Once you're inside the editor, go to the top left corner and click Add. This is where Wix stores all the content and design elements you can place onto your site. The Add section gives you access to different website features, including text, images, buttons, galleries, and navigation elements. After that, click Elements. Inside the Elements section, look for the search option and type in Menu. This will help you quickly find the menu tools without needing to browse through everything manually. Using the search feature is especially helpful when working in Wix because there are many different elements available, and finding the right option manually can take extra time. At this point, you can choose a menu template that matches the style of your website. Wix usually offers several designs, so pick one that fits your layout and branding. When choosing a menu style, consider your website design, the number of pages you have, and how you want visitors to interact with your navigation. If you want a little more flexibility, you can also choose the option to create a custom menu instead. Either choice works, so it really depends on whether you want something fast and ready-made, or something more tailored to your design. A ready-made menu can save time, while a custom menu gives you more control over the appearance and structure of your navigation. After adding the menu to your page, click directly on the menu itself. When you do that, you should see menu-related settings appear. From there, click Manage Menu at the top. This is the main area where you'll organize your menu items and create the drop-down structure. The Menu Manager allows you to control the order of your pages and decide which pages should appear as main menu items and which should appear as drop-down options. Now, for the key part. To create a drop-down, click and drag one menu item and place it slightly below another menu item. When you move one page under another in the Menu Manager, Wix will turn it into a subpage, which creates the drop-down effect automatically. This is a simple but powerful way to build navigation that looks clean and works well for visitors. Drop-down menus are useful because they allow you to include more pages while keeping your website header simple and organized. You can also hover over each menu item and click the three-dot icon to open more options. This gives you additional controls for managing the pages in your menu, which can be helpful when you want to fine-tune how everything appears. These options allow you to make adjustments and ensure your menu structure matches the way you want visitors to explore your website. Take a moment to review the structure after arranging your items, so your navigation stays clear and easy to use. A well-organized menu helps visitors find what they need faster and gives your website a more polished feel. Before publishing your changes, it is always a good idea to preview your website and test the drop-down menus. Make sure each link works correctly and that visitors can easily access every important page. And that's it! That's how you create menu tabs with drop-down pages in Wix. By following these steps, you can create a cleaner navigation system, improve your website structure, and make it easier for visitors to explore your Wix website.